Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. If you love handmade art, then you are going to enjoy today's video. We are looking at beautiful hand embroidery designs that are easy, creative and full of color. Hand embroidery is a colorful hobby. It helps you relax, improve your skills and create beautiful items for your home or as gifts. One of the best things about hand embroidery is that you do not need expensive tools. You only need fabric, colorful thread, an embroidery needle and an embroidery hoop. With these simple materials you can make amazing designs. Floral designs is one of the most popular styles. Roses, daisies, sunflowers and lavender flowers always look beautiful on clothes, pillow covers, table runners and wall decorations. You can use bright colors for a fresh look or soft pastel colors for a gentle and elegant style. Leaf patterns are also very popular. Small green leaves can make any embroidery design look more natural and attractive. You can combine flowers and leaves to create a complete garden design on your fabric. Many beginners start with simple stitches. The running stitch, back stitch, chain stitch, satin stitch and lazy daisy stitch are easy to learn. After practicing these basic stitches, you can slowly try more delicate and advanced patterns. Hand embroidery is not only for clothing. You can decorate handkerchiefs, tote bags, cushion covers, tablecloths, napkins, baby clothes and even diamond jeans. A simple embroidery design can turn an ordinary items into something unique and special. Color choice is very important. Bright colors create a cheerful look while soft shades give a classic and elegant feeling. You can also use different thread types such as cotton or silk embroidery thread to add texture and shine. Seasonal embroidery designs are also fun to make. Spring season flowers, summer butterflies, autumn leaves and winter snowfalls are perfect ideas throughout the year. These designs also make thoughtful handmade gifts for family and friends. If you enjoy nature, you can embroider birds, butterflies, bees and small animals. These designs bring life and beauty to your fabric. Many people also like adding simple words or names to their embroidery. Personalized embroidery makes gifts even more meaningful. The best part about hand embroidery is that every project is made with care and patience. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.